You weren't supposed to get that hot today, Death Valley. I've definitely been here before, but we didn't walk all the way to the end where the actual salt flats are, like the popular part. So that's what I'm about to do here. Got some big old potholes here. It's like they're big salt holes. All this white over here is all salt. If you can see that, all salt. From a distance, it looks like snow. There were people behind me, but now there's not. Looks like they didn't want to come this far. Let me tell you what, the flies today are unreal. I don't think I've ever had fly issues here. I don't know if it's because of the flooding, extra water coming in, I don't know, but it's annoying. They are everywhere. So to really see the salt flats, you really have to come all the way to the end of the little trail here. Kind of a walk, but it's pretty much, I mean, it's all flat. You can see that line up there. We're almost there. It is so freaking quiet out here. And I'm so exposed, so I gotta go. I am so hot right now. I got me a couple photos though. We'll see how they turn out. This is probably frowned upon, but ooh, that is salty. So the car is right there. Got a pretty long walk back. And that sun is brutal. I drove by the visitor center a little bit ago. Probably shouldn't have came out here. I'm definitely not gonna be able to sit out here for sunset. It's just too hot. Guys, that sun, it's whooping my booty right now. We were here back in June. That was about 4 months ago. And I haven't been hiking since. So when me and the wife got back home from our trip in June, my dog got sick, ended up having an issue with his spine and couldn't walk. So we were constantly at the doctor, getting medicine, and basically picking him up to go eat, drink, and potty multiple times a day. So we got back from our last trip and just haven't done nothing except take care of him. And we ended up having to put him down a few weeks ago. Not the outcome we wanted, but it's why we main reason I haven't been posting much, or main reason I haven't posted at all. We are close to 1,000 subscribers. We are almost there. The sun reflecting off that white. Oh man. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as always, see you guys in the next one.